device analyzer. Okay, we have, it can take up to maximum 4 channels, but your purchase is for single channel. So these 3 channels are dummy, they are not used. There is no sensor behind this. Okay, 3 channels. This is only dummy. If you want to upgrade, dummy means only for show.
ما فيها سنسورات تقدر تسوي لها ابجريد تقدر تطورها.
Only this channel is your working channel. Okay, but later if you want more channels, you can purchase from them and activate this with the transducer and activate this. Okay, so my suggestion to you, since you are not using this, keep it closed, because by mistake your student put something in there inside. This will be for one. Okay. Now the device is very simple to use. It's got channels where you put the input here for whatever you are measuring. It flows through 2 sensors. One is a pressure sensor, which is a strain gauge, and other is a flow sensor, which will measure the quantity of volume and also the rate. Okay, milliliter and milliliter over time. Okay, and then you get a display. So when you before that, I will show you back side. You have connections for power, and what all connectors are here. The map is here. If you want a barcode reader, because some devices, Infusion devices, come with a barcode. So to identify for which device you are selecting, you can connect a barcode reader. Barcode, like in supermarket you have this, right? And then this is to connect the keypad, external keypad. This is to connect the alarm indicator. So, and then
This
you
is
have
alarm.
computer.
This is alarm indicator.
Alarm simulator. If sometimes you have to have a trigger input. Some machines are connected to the central system, so the nurse can control the machine. Okay, so you want to do that, check, you can connect it here. Okay, but you have not bought this accessory. Okay,
I don't understand what is the benefit of this one.
see, sometimes this infusion device can be controlled remotely.
Yes.
Okay, so to make that simulation, you have this from a nurse call system. From the nursing station, they can switch off and switch on the device.
They can control this one by this one.
هذا السكشن بومب نفسه تمام.
They can control this one.
They can control that one.
This one?
So that control can be transferred to this to check whether the control is working or not. Anyway, for information, because you don't have the accessories to this. Okay, then you have the computer connection here and printer connection here, and after testing the liquid will go out from this channel. Okay, so I will suggest that you close this also. This corresponds to 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4. Okay, clear?
Yes. Clear. But the output of this to where?
This to drain kachra. Okay, now how to connect this? You need to have, first of all,
Password we changed it yesterday.
You changed.
Yes, Mr. Reddy.
tube with this connection.
Reem.
No, it is not there.
Yes.
Password is changed?
Yes, Mr. Reddy.
Ready change?
Yes.
Then I don't know.
What do you want?
Reem.
Password change.
Just write Reem. Reem.
Arim or Al?
Reem.
What is your password? No money? Anyway. Okay, we need this type of connector, no? The tube with this connector. Oh, what you took out for BB. Okay. So what we need to do, we need a syringe to prime it. First, before measurement start, the system should be filled with liquid. Okay. Now, one precaution you have to take here: don't use tap water for this purpose. Don't use any medical solutions. Okay. Use only deionized water, or if you can get distilled water from your lab.
Yes.
Or just the water they use for diluting in injections and all. Okay. With that you have this solution. Not that, Baba. I want to connect the wire, the tube here. So the tube should have a connector like this connector to take this.
Do you
Adapter, regular adapter.
Right, yeah. Or we have to. Okay. So we have to fill this with deionized. First we have to prepare a solution. 1:100. This is a detergent. So as it flows, it will also keep the system and your transducer clean. Okay. The ratio I think is 1:100.
Yes, in calculate. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, here. 1:10. Okay, 1%. So you can take 1 liter and mix 10 ml and keep it with you. And every time you use, you can dilute that and use it. But it should be kept in closed container. If too much bubbles is coming, you add more water.
Do we try this one
Yeah, yes,
with this?
we will try. Okay, so just only introduction.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, how it is measured in this? Only control panel.
تريجر ليش تريجر هذا؟
هذا أنت ممكن تحكم هذا عن طريق هذا.
هذا مش هذا بس.
تضف فيه تهرجه.
هذا شيء عملوه شبكة داخل المستشفى. هذا زي الشيء الهب.
How is flow measured? Okay. You have a tube, very thin tube. Okay. You have LED giving light. Okay. And you have a photo detector here.
Yes.
So normally light is passing. Then your column of liquid will come with a meniscus like this. Okay. When this come here, this light gets reflected.
Yes.
So you get a pulse.
Yes.
It will start counting.
Yes.
Then you have another one like this, and like this one full line.
Yes.
So every time you get a pulse, a pulse, a pulse. Okay. So this is the last pulse. You know the diameter of the tube.
Yes.
So you know how much volume is passing.
Yes.
And you know the start time, end time.
Yes.
So you get volume by time.
Time.
Okay.
Yeah.
And into whatever you are measuring for 5 minutes, so into 5 into 60, like that. Inside it is happening. Okay. And then you have the pressure transducer, that is a simple strain gauge.
Pressure transducer is measured how
Strain gauge.
strain gauge, not in sense of strain gauge.
You have a diaphragm, liquid will pass and go, and here you will have a
diaphragm.
filament, resistive filament, and when this diaphragm will get pressure, it will bend, so this will expand and contract.
We measure the force
Force per it. Okay. Then you have the control keys, arrow marks to move up and down, this and this same. Okay. Here these channels are not active, so you have no, not operated. Then you first time when you set